Careful.
Oh my gosh. This is the bone marrow?
Yes, it is. Enjoy.
It's like a birthday cake. Oh my gosh. Jeez.
That's huge.
Huge. No, it's literally like a birthday cake. I did not know it was this big. I can't believe this. I've never seen anything like this ever in my life before.
It's big.
It's huge.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
Bon appetit.
Baked at the broth, it's like in a different bowl.
Hey, yo, you should TikTok this. I'm thinking you should TikTok this.
Oh no, I have to. Did you hear Asaya said I should TikTok this? I need to because this is wild.
That's
this is
huge.
wild.
But then this is mine. That's awesome. She's got like what, 4 times the plate? Wow. All right, enjoy. Bon appetit.
But this is not what it looks like in the picture. The picture is like a little on the picture it shows like a little bone.
Yeah.
Like one bone marrow, like one. So I thought it was literally one
They're
bone
loading
marrow.
up for you.
And then I order it and then they bring me the freaking entire pot. Of
It looks
bone
like you're the
marrow.
first person to order it for today.
Oh my gosh. Wow. This
Special
is
treat.
good. Wow. I don't even know where to start.
Start from the top.
Start from the onions.
Yeah. Or you can spare the onions with us.
So they bought me a foil pan to put away my bone marrow. Wow.
Packing my bone marrow pho to go. I barely scratched the surface eating it.
Look at that. I think at this point, oh my god. Wow, that's like 1 of 3.
Do you want me to move this for you?
Yeah. Let's move this back. Okay. Another one. I don't even know how to pick this up. Okay, right here.
Right there.
You're gonna get pizza.
And then I have a container for the soup. The soup's gonna go in this one.
Sure. Okay. Let me go help her pour it.
Now I have leftovers for days.